In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock video tracks in DaVinci Resolve. This is a very simple feature, but it can be incredibly useful when you're editing and want to avoid making accidental changes to your timeline. Locking a video track helps protect clips that are already in the right place, especially if you're working on a complex project or making adjustments to other layers. To begin, go to your timeline in DaVinci Resolve. This is the area where all of your clips are arranged for editing. Once you're there, take a moment to locate the video track that contains the footage you want to lock. If you have multiple tracks stacked on top of each other, make sure you're choosing the correct one before moving on. After you've found the video you'd like to lock, look over to the left side of the timeline. In that section, you'll see the track controls for each video layer. These controls include several small icons, and one of them is the lock icon. This is the tool you'll use to prevent changes to that track. Now simply click the lock icon next to the video track you want to protect. As soon as you click it, that track will be locked. That means you won't be able to accidentally move, trim, or change the clips on that track while you're working in the timeline. It's a quick way to keep your edits safe and organized. This can be especially helpful if you've already finished part of your sequence and want to make sure it stays exactly as it is. It also makes editing easier when you're working with multiple layers, such as titles, effects, B-roll, or overlays, because it reduces the risk of selecting or shifting the wrong clip by mistake. If the lock icon is active, the track is locked. If you ever need to make changes again later, you can return to the same place and click the lock icon to unlock it. So the process is just as easy to reverse as it is to apply, and that's all there is to it. Once you know where the lock icon is, locking video tracks in DaVinci Resolve only takes a second and can save you from a lot of editing mistakes.